Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to merge two Google Forms. Google Forms does not have a built-in option to merge two forms, but you can manually combine their questions and responses using Google Forms, Google Sheets and add-ons. This is useful when you want to combine surveys, feedback forms, or quizzes into a single form. Now let's follow these few simple steps together. The first step is to create a new Google Form. And you can do that by going to your web browser and searching for forms.google. Now click on the website that says workspace.google.com/products/forms and make sure you log in using your Google account's credentials. Now from here, go to the Start a New Form section and select Blank Form. After that, name it appropriately. For example, Merged Form. Name is Merged Form. Now the second step is to copy the questions from each form. Now open the first Google form. Open the questions from the first form, as you can see here. And click on the question, then click the copy, the two square icon, and paste it into the new form. Let's click on copy here. As you can see, duplicate the question. Or for example, I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to click on it and I'm going to copy it. As you can see, you can duplicate it. Now after that, repeat all for all questions for both forms. You can manually copy the question and choose the question type, for example this one right here, and choose the question type and then recreate the same question. The third step is to use sections to organize the questions, and to do that just click on add sections to divide questions from each other. It's the two rectangle icon right here that says add section in the screen, as you can see. Click on it. This helps users see where each set of questions begins. As for the fourth step, merge responses in Google Sheets. Link both original forms to Google Sheets by clicking responses and link to Sheets here, and click on create a new spreadsheet and open each spreadsheet and use the importance formula to combine data into one sheet and adjust columns to match the data correctly. Now, while Google Forms does not allow direct merging, you can manually combine questions or merge responses in Google Sheets. This method helps in consolidating surveys or quizzes without losing data. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Please leave comments below the video if you have further questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.